Hi, I'm Neil Cook. I'm Cloudmark CTO, and today I'm going to talk about how DNS can be used to conduct DDoS attacks against service provider infrastructure. So DDoS is a term that's a lot around in the media today, and it means distributed denial of service attacks. Now, these are usually directed against brands such as financial services companies, banks, etc., or large brands such as retailers, those kind of people. Now, the interesting thing about DDoS is that the bad guys need to leverage a lot of infrastructure to conduct those attacks. They don't own all of that infrastructure themselves. The bad guy needs to leverage someone else's infrastructure, and they do that by using things on the internet that are available to them, such as bots or something else we call open resolvers. Now, open resolvers are DNS servers on the internet which have been incorrectly configured to allow anyone to make DNS requests. And these are used by the bad guys to conduct attacks, DDoS attacks, against brands. Now, those DDoS attacks are using the DNS protocol. They use other protocols as well, such as NTP and SNMP and various others, but DNS is a heavily used protocol, especially in recent times. Now, the problem with them using open resolvers is those open resolvers are located in service provider networks, and the service provider networks provide DNS infrastructure that those open resolvers are using. So when the open resolvers are being used to attack some other target, the DNS infrastructure of the service provider can be affected and can even go down. Now, what happens when service providers' DNS infrastructure goes down? Not everyone knows this, but it doesn't matter how great the network is, if DNS goes down, then you can't access the internet. So no subscribers can access the internet if the service provider's DNS infrastructure goes down. So that's why DDoS attacks, even though they affect the target, they also affect the infrastructure being used to conduct those attacks, and that's the service providers. And if you get a solution like that from Cloudmark, we can actually stop those attacks and stop your DNS infrastructure from going down.